Hello, we now see how to find the value of sine inverse of minus half. Okay, before we proceed, we will have to remember few things. What is that? Range of sine inverse of x will be from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, including pi by 2. Closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. This is the range of this function sine inverse x. This is principal value branch. Okay, so you can remember this as the range of sine inverse of x function. Now we will proceed further. Also, you should know this: minus sine x is equal to sine minus x. Then sine pi minus x is equal to sine x. These are the things which you should remember before we go to evaluate this. Also, one more: sine pi plus x is equal to minus sine x. Here sine pi minus x is sine x, sine pi plus x is minus sine x, sine 2 pi minus x is also minus sine x. So you remember these few things because we are going to apply and explain this. We are going to apply all these things here and explain certain concepts. Okay, these are the things which are very important. Of course, for each and every one there are explanations available. I have cut short all those things. My focus is on evaluation of this. Okay, yeah. See, sine inverse of minus half, let's say it is equal to y. That means sine of y, sine inverse here, so sine of y will be equal to minus half. Okay, but we know that this half, this half you can write as sine pi by 6. This minus, let it be there as it is, the negative symbol here. Sine y is equal to minus. For this half, you write sine pi by 6. But now you see this is minus sine x. Now you come here. Minus sine x is sine minus x. So this you can write as sine minus pi by 6. Right? So sine y is equal to sine minus pi by 6. So you get y is equal to minus pi by 6. Okay, this is one value. Right. Then again, you consider this. In this, the sine pi by 6 alone you write as sine pi minus pi by 6 because you apply this. Okay. This minus you write as it is. For this sine pi by 6, you write sine pi minus pi by 6 according to this. Okay. You evaluate whatever is there here. Pi minus pi by 6. That is 6 pi minus pi by 6, 5 pi by 6. So sine 5 pi by 6. There is a negative symbol. Again you apply. This is minus sine 5 pi minus 6, 5 pi by 6. So that is here sine minus x. So here it should be sine minus 5 pi by 6. Now this is sine y. This is sine minus 5 pi by 6. So you can also write y is equal to minus 5 pi by 6. Okay. Next one. So we already got this value. Now we have also got this according to this method. Now you can see sine pi plus x is minus sine x. Now here minus sine pi by 6 is there. So you take it as minus sine x. You write it as sine pi plus x. That is sine pi plus pi by 6. Minus sine pi by 6 can be written as sine pi plus pi by 6 according to this. So sine y is equal to sine 7 pi by 6. So we got one more value here. The next one, sine 2 pi minus x is equal to minus sine x. So you get this whole thing, no, minus sine x. So get this whole thing as, so this you can write as 2 pi minus pi by 6. We have written it already. Once again I am just writing here. Okay. Now you can simplify this. 2 pi minus pi by 6 is nothing but 12 pi minus pi by 6. That is 11 pi by 6. So here you have sine y. Here you have sine 11 pi by 6. So y is equal to 11 pi by 6. So you see we got several values for sine inverse of minus half. Minus pi by 6, minus 5 pi by 6, 7 pi by 6, 11 pi by 6, etc. Okay, but which value we have to consider? Out of these things, you see minus pi by 6 is within the range of minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 in the closed interval. Okay. Therefore, we can take this value as a value of sine inverse of minus half. This is that range. So what is the answer? Minus pi by 6. Okay. Thank you.